Yeah, hi.
My friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. This is a yoga for men strength routine today. No weights, no machines, nothing needed of any kind other than your beautiful body weight. Leave your comments below and make sure you check in below too. Cap on because it's a glorious, glorious sunny day here in the Colorado Rockies. Go through a series of poses, of flows, of sequences to build overall body strength. Let's not waste any time. Begin with the classic plank. Hands under the shoulders. Tuck the toes. Press the heels back so we're stretching the backs of the legs. Turn the elbows in. In yoga, we're breathing in the nose and out the nose. Think of vacuuming out the abdominals with every exhale, pulling your rectus abdominis muscle towards your spine. That's what it's called, your spine. Let's hold for 5 more breaths. Crown of the head reaching forward. So you squeeze the breath from the lungs. And the rectus abdominis is also referred to as your six-pack muscle. So when you pull that belly button towards the spine, that's what you're activating. Good. Building a little endurance with this workout as well. One more breath. Excellent. Let's piece together a slow Vinyasa flow, the basis of power yoga. We'll cover a lot of ground in a short amount of time, so modify as needed. Inhale, press forward, shoulders in front of the wrist, and lower down. This is called the hover, the chaturanga. You need to practice this one. You might flop down right away. You can bring your knees down, but squeeze the elbows into the sides. All the way down to the mat, tops of the feet. Inhale, lift up and back into cobra. So we're pulling backwards, opening the chest, working the back and the shoulders. And then exhale, lower down. And let's press up and back to downward facing dog. Hands in front of the shoulders, feet behind the hips, and work your way back this way. You can bend the knees, stretch the entire body. One more breath. Fill the lungs and empty the lungs, the whole body being conditioned. Now take that left leg up. We're going to bring the left foot forward into a warrior position, warrior pose. Knee is bent, turn the right foot in, press the heel down, lengthen that leg. Shoulders back and down. We're nice and tall in the upper body. The crown of the head is lifting up. And then arms out, warrior two. Gonna go to side angle pose. Bring the forearm down. Now this arm can be up here if you're feeling a little tight, or you can extend it in line with the rest of your body. Nice long line right here. Shoulders back and down. Breathe in the nose, out the nose. 3 breaths. Good. Lengthening that back leg. And that feels good. Building the legs, building the core, getting some flexibility. And now reverse warrior. We're going to rise up, keep the legs strong, keep them frozen in that position. And left arm goes up. This arm can go across or slide the hand down the leg. So we're extending up and back and sink down. 2 more breaths. Itch your cheek. Okay, let's do that Vinyasa flow again. Hands down. Step back to plank. Press forward. Here's that hover again. Practice it. Übung macht die Meister. Practice makes the master. And then lift up and back into cobra or press all the way up into upward facing dog. Draw the shoulders back. Squeeze the glutes. Open the chest. Lower down and up and back. Downward facing dog. Let's do that warrior series on the other side. Always balancing it out in yoga. Right leg up. Right foot forward, warrior. Adjust the blouse. Arms out, warrior two. Now forearm, arm up here, or extend. Sinking down, activating your quad. Little calf work here, working the bones in the foot. 2 more breaths. And push that left heel into the mat. Stretch the leg. And now arms out and reverse. Slide the left hand down, or this arm goes across So we're going up, up and back, keeping the upper body open as we sink into the legs. 2 more breaths. How's that feel? Are you feeling it one place? You feeling it everywhere? A lot of strength in the legs, in the upper body. Good. Release, slow vinyasa flow. Step back to plank, forward, working every muscle in the body. Cobra or up dog. Now go right back to down dog from here. The frozen wolf pose. I want to give you as much as I can in this short amount of time, so you can practice these as much as you wish. Take the left leg up. This, my friend, is called a 3-legged dog. Sinking the right heel down, we got a lot of flexibility happening here. Your body is no doubt going through something right now, in the back, in the spine, in the back of your right leg. Now the frozen wolf, bring that right knee in and round the upper back. Press into the floor. 2 breaths. Stretching the back, engaging the core, and working our endurance right here. Now press back. Very good. There's the wolf. Let's switch legs. Left foot down, right leg up. Lifting up. If you need to, drop this left knee down. You can always do that. All right. It's time for the frozen wolf with a straw. Forward. 2 breaths. Relax the jaw. Round the back. Engage the arms. Okay, back. Woo. Let's bring the knees down for a second. Again, in yoga, we can run the risk of doing too much on our wrists and hands. So take a moment here. Shoulder rolls. So you're going to lift the shoulders up, sink them down. You can also sit cross-legged. Up and down. It opens up the chest, opens up your breath. It's a great move to do, not just in your yoga class, but anytime during the day. Standing, seated, driving. One more time. Up, and we drop it down so the chest opens. You ready? How you doing? Let's go back. One more time each side. 3-legged dog. Left leg up. Try to bring that leg up a little higher. You're pressing into your palms to stretch the spine. And round it forward. 3 breaths. Got some endurance, because a lot of times our instinct is, I don't want to do this anymore. This is tough. Because we're engaging every part of the body. Take it back and right leg up. It's total body conditioning. That's why I recommend yoga to anybody, especially athletes. Athlete of any kind, you will greatly benefit your performance or improve your athletic performance with a regular yoga practice. Good. All right, back. Let's do one more vinyasa flow. Take it slow. Come forward to plank. Work that transition. Press forward, down. Cobra or upward facing dog. Squeeze the glutes. It takes pressure off your lower back. And then, all right, downward facing dog. Let's finish with a little eagle. Little eagle flow here. Bring the feet forward. We have forward fold. Knees are bent. Get some release in the spine. Relax the neck. Okay, rising up. Whew. Shake it out. Any elk or bear in the yard? No. There's my dog. She looks like a bear. Chair pose first. You're going to press back. Press back into the glutes. Ooh, the clouds came in. Now, eagle pose. We're going to open up the back and shoulders. Right arm goes forward. Left arm is going to come around underneath. Now, the first progression is fists right here. So, arm underneath, fists. Or if you're able, bring the palms together. And if you want to go even further, take this left leg and wrap it around the right as much as you're comfortable with as you sink back into the glutes. Your fingers are going up, your elbows are going forward, and your shoulders are going down. This is an eagle pose. How's that feel on your back, on your shoulders? Are you increasing blood flow? One more breath. All right, I got to add this in. Step back to a lunge, keep the arms. This is a lunge, it's not warrior, so your back foot is pointed forward. And then at your discretion, my friend, at your discretion, lift up. Oh, balance, exhale, sink down. 2 more breaths. So we have all these things happening at once, building strength in the legs, strength in the arms and the shoulders. Okay, let's unravel the arms. Step forward, chair again, this time left arm, right arm underneath, fists or palms. Fingers up, shoulders down, elbows forward. And you can wrap the right leg around. Within reason, of course. Fingers up, shoulders down. 2 more breaths, sinking back. In the nose, out the nose. Let that breath really expand your front, sides, and back. All right, now lunge. We'll finish here. The eagle lunge. Stagger the feet and sink down with the exhale. Whew. Inhale up, exhale down. 1 more breath. I don't want to end it, but there'll be more. Finish in forward fold. Wonderful work, my friends. Leave your feedback and check in below.
Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.